Hey there. All right. So week 9 project, Bootstrap. Um, let's take a look initially at the index HTML. Here we've got the body, and in here we've got the container and the background color defined. I set it at a opacity of 10% because I also have the same color for the nav bar. Let me see. Yep, yeah, same color for the nav bar, and that's full color. And I just want there to be a contrast between the two, but also to match. So, um, here we've got the nav bar. Sorry, um, each thing under the navigation bar has its own drop-down list and connects. And what you'll see here, all of these links, I'm pointing my finger, you can't see me pointing my finger, all these links go to the same page, and that's because this is just like a test page. And I'll show you when we get the actual website. Um, yeah, so each of those, it's some drop-down list. This is a little blurb about self-care. And this here, this code is for the carousel of images, which you might be able to see kind of going on in the background. Um, so that's the carousel of images, and then that runs automatically. And then here is the form that is the mailing list that I created. And the other page that we're going to look at that has the table is going to be the hiking page. And I have this, better outlined in my notes, but yeah, we've got the navigation bar again. In this case, though, the background's a different color as well as the navigation bar. We've got another little blurb that's defined here, as well as this is where we have the cards made and everything's done in the Bootstrap grid. So that way it all lines up nicely. And I'll again show you that. We got the cards, and then we've got the table down here that's been made that in this case it includes all these places that you can go hiking. Um, I'll go quickly through these other ones up here. This is just a live class that I left on there for reference. But yeah, it has the only thing that this is the only thing it has is the navigation bar and the background, the navigation bar, all different colors in each page. And again, I'll show you so you can see the difference. So let's go to the document. So this is the index page that I was talking about. Got self-care, got the blurb, it's in its container, got the carousel of images, which just waiting for it to go. I swear we won't look at it, it'll start going. Here, let me click the little button, see if that helps it. Um only got a minute and a half. There it goes. And it'll cycle through. Um, and what I was saying with this up here, if you see the navigation bar, if I click that, it'll bring us back to the home page because I was screened to a button. Look under mind, hovers over each of these, body, it's different pages, spirit, different pages. If we click on any of these under mind, it's going to be, the warning background. This is like the warning, again, I just changed the opacity and it's kept the same color, both. Um, spirit is going to be the info. And then each of these actually is going to go back to the hiking page because ultimately this was a template, but we'll click hiking. And here we have, yeah, it's danger, I believe, is the red. Yeah, we have red and red. We've got the blurb up here. We've also got each of the cards and we've got the table. And just to go ahead and show how this all lines up, and we get smaller and smaller, and it's vertical. And it lines up nicely, and the same up here, the navigation bar changes. Go to all of these. It's just the same way. Go to self-care, it all works. All right. Have a good night, y'all.